Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel, and may I be the first, or be amongst the first of the strangers that are around today to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We're going to be looking at this coloured bunk and possibly also the two other parts that go with it, which is the cupro-nickel, and also if I can get them in from my friend's Bo Selector. I almost forgot his name then. He'd have killed me. Bo Selector. I hope to also have the strike your own. So come along and let's do the rest of the video. Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today this is part one of up to 3 parts, depending on whether the coins come in on time. This is the second coin in the Harry Potter series. It's the second coloured one. I have already done the Harry Potter coloured bunk version earlier on in the year, around about the time that it came out, which was a little while ago, at the end of last month sort of time. This is the second in the 4 coins. It will be the last one that shows Her Majesty the Queen Elizabeth, who we see there on the back of the coin. Let me just bring it in so you can see it. Whoops. There we go, we've got Queen Elizabeth. So last time you'll see her portrait on one of the Harry Potter sets. So let's just bring that back out again. The first part, it shows you've got your 25 years of Harry Potter. You've got a holographic sticker there, and you've got the train Hogwarts Express, and you've got the owls and all of this. Now all of this area here that you see here enlarged is actually what's on the coloured part of the coin. So if we open the gateway up, we got 25 years of magic, and it shows a Hogwarts Express going along the track. Now, if you want to read this part, please pause the video and read away, and then start the video back up again. Ready for the next part. And the next part, of course, is the platform 9 3/4, and it talks about that. And then finally, on the last part of the gatefold, we have the first encounters, which will be about Harry and the other students meeting up for the first time. We then have some information about the illustrator and the author, and we're back to the original thing. And then on the back here we have the Hogwarts Express, and it gives you a little bit of information, and then we've got the coin specification. Now, the thing that we're here for is this coin. Let's go down. Whoops. Other way. All the way. There we go. We've got... Let's just... Let me just get that a little bit. There we go. We've got 25... and then you get the lightning, and we've got 25 there inside the unit. And again, you can see quite clearly, and this does make a hell of a difference between that and the normal coin. I don't have one of the standard cupro-nickel coins as yet. I'm still waiting for it to come in when I'm doing this video. So this is why the video could be 3 sections joined together. There'll be this coloured coin, there'll be something about the cupro-nickel one, and then finally, God willing, if my friend Bo Selector can get them to me in time, we'll also have the strike your owns for both Harry Potter and the Hogwarts Express to show you over the next few days, over the Christmas festive period. I do think this coin looks wonderful in colour. The train itself is clear as a bell. As you can see, you've got the smoke coming out, you've got the owl flying around. What's that in the bottom corner? Oh, that's the buffer of the Hogwarts Express, and then you've got some people here on the platform. So this is the Hogwarts Express steaming up, ready to leave and depart from platform 9 3/4. I do like this coin. I think it's a very clever interpretation, and when I first heard that Harry Potter coins were coming out, I thought they would be mainly about the characters that make up the Harry Potter story, like Dumbledore, like Harry, Hermione, Ron. But they've been slightly cleverer. They've included more inanimate things that are essential to the Harry Potter story, such as the Hogwarts Express. The fourth, I believe the fourth coin in the series is the school, or the Hogwarts Castle, or whatever they call it. And having two non-human characters and that were part of the Harry Potter story was, I think, a clever idea, and I think it's leaves the open for a second and third series. And personally, I hope that they do a second and third series. There's so much over the last 25 years that the books have included. So you've got mythical creatures, you've got some good and bad wizards. There's such an awful lot that you could have them. You could have the, as I say, you could have the people who were the villains. You could have a set of animals, both animals of the main characters, but also some of the animals they come across, like the two-headed, the dragons, the snakes, the dogs, and all the rest of it. So there are many possibilities. It's just how far does Royal Mint want to take this, and how much do they have, what sort of rights do they have from the franchise to be able to reproduce these coins, which is the other big thing, of course. My personal hope is that they will do a second and possibly even a third series, because, as I said, there is just so much that they could include. How do you feel about this coin? Do you like it like I've done? Tell me down in the comments. I'm going to finish this part here now, and I'm going to add the two other parts in when I get the coins before this is put up onto YouTube. So I'll see you in a bit. Hello and welcome back to Stevie Bucks Coins. What I've got here is a continuation of the Hogwarts Express. I recorded the excuse me, I recorded the one where I looked at the coloured version. This is the cupro-nickel. So if we go down, we have the portrait of Her Majesty the Queen, the fifth portrait, the JC portrait. On the reverse we have the Hogwarts Express. So let's just go down a bit and let's try and there we go. There we have the hologram of the 25, and there's the 25. Can you see it? And then if we go back, and there is the lightning side. So this is the Hogwarts Express coin. As I say, I've already done a review which this will be added onto as part of the Boxing Day special that I'm doing. Here we have the Hogwarts Express and the coin itself. this is far clearer in colour. As you can imagine, you have the train itself, and then you have some of the animals and people surrounding it. Now this coin is I've taken one out of its packaging to get ready to go into my date run album, and this is for going into my blue card album. This is only a short review because we don't need anything else on this one. So that's it. I'm going to add this to the video to add to the completeness of it, and I'll see you again tomorrow. And I hope you had a happy Christmas and you're looking forward to the new year. And from me, bye bye for now. There's an outro coming up next. Hi, this is the end of the Hogwarts Express video. I hope you've enjoyed what I've shown to you today. If you haven't already got it, there's still plenty of time to be able to get hold of the coins in the bunk packs and in the blue cards. So if you enjoyed it and you want to get the coins yourself or for the kids or whatever, then there's plenty of opportunities still to do so. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I hope you've enjoyed my run into Christmas, and from me, as the very last thing is, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and let's keep the coin collector going. And until we meet up again on this channel, from me, thank you for watching, and ta-da now, bye bye, ta-da.